Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video we have a little unboxing of a Simagic AlphaMini and the Simagic wheel. So if you guys didn't know, we partnered with Simagic and they were kind enough to send me out a brand new wheelbase, being the AlphaMini, and a brand new wheel to go along with that. Also the adapter I need to plug my pedals in. So if we get into the unboxing of the wheel, the packaging straight out of the gate is just absolutely insane. Comes with a little QR code if you guys want to scan that and go straight to the product page and you guys can check it out for yourselves. So one thing I noticed when unboxing this is that it is very secure inside the packaging with this little foam stuff that is all around it. The wheel fits quite snug and quite neat in there. One thing I do want to point out is that I'm coming from a Thrustmaster wheel, so literally anything in the DD range is going to be a massive step up. And the price that you pay for these types of wheels, the quality of not only the packaging but the wheel itself is absolutely crazy. So as you guys can see, it's secured within the foam, and once you lift that foam off, that wheel is just staring at you. And when I pulled this thing out and felt the quality of that fabric around the outside of the wheel, it was absolutely beautiful. The wheel itself actually has 8 compatible mappable buttons on the front, with the 2 pedals being 2 extra buttons on the back. The quality of the wheel with the carbon fiber base in the center and the nice suede Alcantara feeling material on the outside, this wheel just feels so premium compared to what I'm used to, and I was freaking out when I first pulled it out of the box. It also comes with a little USB cable which you can use to plug into your PC if you need to configure any types of settings, which lucky enough I didn't have to with the new software that they've just brought out that helps you connect everything all in one place. So as we move on to the Simagic AlphaMini wheelbase, it's the same unboxing process, and the size of the boxes were actually the same, which was kind of insane to me. Again, coming from a different type of wheel to a direct drive and feeling how heavy this thing really is. We have a couple little cables that it comes with. Everything in these packages is branded with the Simagic branding as well, which is just a neat little touch. Pulling the AlphaMini base out of the foam, for such a small little base, it is actually really well weighted, and you can just feel the quality of the materials being used. And yes, it spins. I had to check. It also comes with a power cable that has a switch on it, which is very handy if you wanted to turn it on or off via the switch instead of at the wall. Comes with a couple of bolts to help secure it to the rig or whatever mounting type of solution you have. It also comes with this big, thick, chonky power brick. And that is going to do it for our little unboxing, guys. Be sure to subscribe and keep up to date. We're going to be posting an impressions video in probably about a week or two once I've got this thing fully set up and I feel comfortable on both racing game and drifting. So make sure you guys are subscribed for that. Been your boy Ryder. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.